Hello guys, this is Future Engineer Pau Pau. Ang topic natin for today is differential equation. First lesson, partial derivatives. Ang partial derivatives ay galing sa differential calculus last semester. So, we have some example. Let's try some example. Then, we can identify sorry identify how to solve differential equation. The first example is 3x dy dx plus 3y squared dx dy. Nakalitong basahin, no? Okay, let's solve. Ang derivatives ng 3x na nakarespect sa x ay 3. Then, ang derivative ng 3x squared na nakarespect sa 3y squared na nakarespect sa y ay 3 times yung exponent tapos x 2 minus 1 sa exponent. Copy that and simplify. Ang ating sagot ay 3 plus 6x. Dali lang, no? Para sa number 2, example, 4 parenthesis 4x minus 3 close parenthesis dy dx plus open parenthesis 9w squared minus 1 dx over w. Since 4x minus 3 ay nakarespect sa x, ang magiging sagot natin dyan ay 4x then minus 1 since constant yung 3 0 plus ang 9w squared minus 1 ay nakarespect sa w, so yung exponent times yung coefficient then w raised to 2 minus 1 then since yung 1 ay constant 0 yan. Simplify, magiging 4 then 0 to, wala na to 2 times 9 18, 2 minus 1 1 plus 18 w